In this video, we will demonstrate how to change your air conditioning filters in your Perry home. First, locate the air conditioning filter inside your home. Once located, undo the tabs around the edge of the grate. Smaller filters will have 2 tabs, while larger filters will have 3. Carefully let the grate swing open and pull out the old filter. Next, insert the new filter with the metal mesh facing up. Finally, close the grate and reapply the tabs. For more information or support on your air conditioning filters, visit the MyAccount portal on the perryhomes.com website.